Feeling overwhelmed by the mess around you but short on time? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how just 30 minutes a day can transform your home. It's all about working smarter, not harder, with simple daily routines that fit into even the busiest schedules. You don't need hours to keep your space organized. Just consistent, small efforts that add up to a big difference. Whether you're working from home, have kids, or just want a cleaner, calmer environment, these tips are designed to keep your space under control without stress. Now let's dive into how to clean and organize your home in 30 minutes a day. Let's start with the kitchen, often the busiest room in the house and the quickest to get cluttered. The key here is to keep your countertops clear. A cluttered countertop isn't just an eyesore, it can also slow you down when you're cooking or cleaning. But spending just a few minutes each day on this can make a huge difference. Start by removing everything that doesn't belong. Old mail, empty containers, or gadgets you aren't using. Clear countertops make it easier to stay organized and cook efficiently. After that, wipe down the surfaces with an all-purpose cleaner. This daily habit prevents dirt and grime from building up, saving you from hours of deep cleaning down the line. Next is the living room, the center of relaxation and entertainment. It's easy for this space to become a dumping ground for everything from kids' toys to newspapers. But just 10 minutes a day can keep this space tidy and welcoming. Start by gathering items that don't belong. A quick pass with a basket or storage bin will help you collect stray toys, books, or electronics. By having designated spots for these items, like a toy bin or a magazine rack, you ensure everything has a home. This will keep clutter from piling up again. Then, move on to wiping down your coffee table or surfaces to remove dust and fingerprints. Your bedroom should be your peaceful retreat, but it's easy for it to become cluttered. Spending just a few minutes each morning making your bed and picking up clothes can drastically improve the space. Start by making your bed. It's a quick win that immediately makes the room look more organized and sets the tone for the day. It also gives you a sense of accomplishment right off the bat. After that, pick up any clothes that are lying around and put them in the laundry basket. This quick routine helps keep the room tidy without much effort. Closets can easily turn into a mess, especially if you're rushing in the mornings. But organizing your closet doesn't have to be a daunting task. Let's spend a few minutes maximizing your closet space for efficiency. Start by sorting your clothes by category, tops, pants, jackets, and group similar items together. This way it's easier to find what you're looking for quickly. Add shelf dividers or shoe racks to maximize space, and use storage bins for accessories like belts or scarves. Labeling storage bins can help maintain this organization over time. You'll not only save time in the mornings, but also keep your bedroom looking neat. The bathroom is another high-traffic area that can quickly become dirty, but a quick daily routine can keep it fresh and clean. Let's start with the mirror and sink, two areas that tend to get dirty fast. Start with the mirror. Use a microfiber cloth and glass cleaner to wipe away water spots and toothpaste splatters. Then move on to the sink. A quick wipe down each day prevents soap scum and toothpaste from hardening, which can save you hours of scrubbing later. The toilet is one area that needs consistent attention to stay clean. A quick daily routine can prevent stains and buildup, keeping it fresh and hygienic. Apply a toilet bowl cleaner under the rim and let it sit for a few minutes before scrubbing with a brush. This prevents mineral buildup and keeps the toilet smelling fresh. Also, wipe down the seat and handle with a disinfectant to eliminate germs. Before we move on to our next cleaning task, let's take a moment for a quick breather. If you're finding these tips helpful and are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really helps us out and lets us know that we're on the right track. Also, we love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share your own cleaning or organizing tips, or maybe a challenge you're facing in your home cleaning journey. We're a community here, and your insights can help others too. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit subscribe to join our community and keep the clutter-free vibes going. Plus, we have a gift for you. Grab your free copy of Simplify Your Home ebook in the video description. It's a step-by-step guide to achieving and maintaining a clutter-free life. Now let's get back to cleaning and head over to the laundry area. Keeping your laundry area organized can save you from the chaos of missing socks and misplaced clothes. Spend a few minutes each day putting things back in order. Sort your laundry into separate hampers for whites, colors, and delicates. This saves time when doing laundry later. Wipe down the washer and dryer to keep the area clean and free from dust or detergent spills. A clutter-free laundry area makes doing laundry less of a chore. Your entryway is the first thing guests see, and often the first place to get messy. But spending just 5 minutes tidying up this space can create a welcoming atmosphere. Start by hanging up jackets and putting shoes away. A shoe rack and coat hooks can help keep these items organized and off the floor. Adding a small basket for keys, mail, or loose change ensures everything has a place, making it easier to grab what you need when heading out the door. High-traffic areas in your home like the hallway or living room can get dirty quickly. A quick daily sweep or vacuum helps keep these spaces clean and prevents dirt from spreading to other areas. Spend a few minutes sweeping or vacuuming these areas to remove dirt, dust, and crumbs. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference, especially in households with kids or pets. This small daily task saves you from having to deep clean your floors later on. Regular dusting not only keeps your home looking clean, but also improves the air quality. Dust tends to settle on shelves, tables, and electronics, so let's take a few minutes to tackle that. Use a microfiber cloth or duster to gently wipe down shelves, electronics, and furniture. Dusting daily prevents the buildup of allergens and keeps your home fresh. Don't forget to dust hard-to-reach areas like ceiling fans or baseboards every so often as well. A clean and organized fridge makes meal prep easier and reduces food waste. Spend a few minutes each week tossing out expired items and organizing the shelves. Check expiration dates and throw out anything that's gone bad. Wipe down the shelves to remove any spills or stains and group similar items together, dairy, meats, vegetables, so it's easier to find what you need. A clean fridge makes your kitchen feel more organized and saves you time when cooking. The pantry can easily turn into a black hole where food gets lost and forgotten. A few simple organizing hacks can keep your pantry in order and prevent food waste. Use clear bins to group similar items together, grains, snacks, canned goods, so everything is easy to see and access. Label the bins and shelves to make finding things quick and stress-free. Storing food in airtight containers can also help keep things fresh for longer. A clean home isn't just about appearance, it's also about creating a fresh, inviting atmosphere. After all the cleaning and organizing, finish up by freshening the air. Open up the windows to let in fresh air, or use a natural air freshener to keep your home smelling clean and inviting. This final touch gives you a sense of satisfaction, knowing that your home is not only organized, but also feels fresh. And there you have it, a clean, organized home achieved in just 30 minutes a day. The secret is consistency. These small, simple tasks will help you stay on top of the mess and keep your space looking great without feeling overwhelmed. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about creating a space that feels good to live in. Before we end, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the SmartLife Solutions channel. We're all about turning chaos into calm, one room at a time, and we'd love for you to join our community. If you're looking to take your home organization to the next level, we've got a free Simplify Your Home ebook waiting for you in the video description. It's a roadmap to a clutter-free life that we're sure you'll find valuable. And if you're curious about the cleaning products we use today, you can find all the links in the video description as well. So don't miss out. Subscribe, get your free ebook, and keep your home clean and organized with SmartLife Solutions. Until next time, happy cleaning.